Hi everybody, welcome to the Aragon watch review. My name is Wing Liang, the Aragon watch designer. About 10 months ago, we debuted the brand new Aragon Concept S, and it has been doing really well, and more than 70% has been sold. And because of that, I came out with new colors. And these are the new colors that it's not resembling to what we had. So and also, I want to talk about this because I read all the reviews and a lot of positive comments, and thank you very much for that. I want to say this is a watch where you like it or you don't like it because it is so different. It is so different that if you look at a diver, a classic diver, I can guarantee you most of the people will look at it like, oh, it's nice, right? And most of the watches in the watch industries are the classic divers. I mean, I see new brands coming out as classic divers. Even the Aragon brand has it too. But this one right here, the shape of the case, the location of the crown is so unique, okay? And it's just either you're gonna like it or you're not gonna like it. And also, it's specifically designed for guys or gals that prefer oversized timepieces. And let's come in and talk about the specs, the color variations, and these are the final colors for the Concept S. Okay, so over here, starting from here, we have it's really nice. The ionic plated blue, the blue case with the stainless steel bezel, the brown case, stainless steel bezel, but piano black dial, right? And this is the brown case with the stainless steel bezel, white lume dial. Okay, this is a white lume. And then over here is the stainless steel case with the sunray silver dial. And the last and final is the mother of pearl, the platinum mother of pearl dial. Each one of this color combination is very unique. And again, it's going to be a tough choice. Last time when we had the black case, we had the what we talk about, the Jolly Rancher colors. They're like candies. But this time around, they're more specific, more serious, more about the color of the case being different. So I'm going to pick up the blue to show you and talk about the specs quickly because I'm speaking to all the viewers that have never seen the Concept S. Okay, so you can see the case is very unique. I'm going to do it like this. So from the 3 to 9 o'clock position, okay, it's 48 millimeter in diameter. And the north to south is approximately 60. And the case back to the top of the crystal is 17. But if you talk about the lug, the bottom of the lug to the crystal is approximately 21. Now, I know a lot of guys, when they prefer smaller watches, they're going to think, wow, this watch, 60 millimeter in north to south is just way too big. If you take a look at my 6.5-inch wrist, okay, look at this. It's not overhanging my wrist. It's wear very comfortably, and it curves around my wrist very, it contours around my wrist and wrap around my wrist very, I would say, perfectly. So even I have a small wrist, I can wear this watch. This watch is wearable. If you're new to watch collecting, and I get that a lot. I get these questions all the time. I have a 7 inches wrist. Is this too large for me? I really don't think so. I really think even I can wear this watch. I've been wearing this watch. Anybody can wear this watch. Even if you, let's say if you have 8 inches or 9 inches wrist, wow, this watch looks even better on your wrist. Okay, so enough about the size. I want to talk about the design concept behind it. So the idea behind it was to shape like a spaceship. Okay, you can see the engine or the rocket engine at the 12 o'clock position, and you can see the grid on the sidewall, the grooves on top of the the sidewall here is slightly sloped. Okay, these are all done by CNC machine. Now, if you appreciate what I do, is this watch case has a lot of angular shape on the side of the wall, and on the northern lug and the southern lug. There's a lot of thoughts behind this. Even this line right here, okay, or what we call the spine, is slightly curved outside. So this watch is not completely a rectangular shape, a shape case. It's more like between a rectangular and a cushion case, which is very, very cool. And now also, if you appreciate what I've done over here, is you see the bezel, okay? It's slightly overhang this curvature cushion case. That makes this watch truly unique. There's nothing out there. I want to say that. I want to emphasize this again and again. The lug width is 24 millimeter. And what I love about also this part right here, you see how the line floats and cut in just to recess, to build in this for the custom crown right here. It's really, really remarkable, and it's truly unique. And this is one of those watches when you wear, and then people will be staring at your wrist and wondering, what is this? What kind of watch is this? Recently, I was watching Netflix. I'm sure I can say that. And I saw one of the show called The 100, and one of the actor is wearing the Aragon Hydromatic. That is amazing. This is another reason why I continue to design unique timepieces. Which allows, in the past we've had another watch in the Equilibrium movie in 2003, I think it was. So we've had, we didn't send in the watches for free. They simply just go out and bought the watch and put it in their shows, which makes me very, very proud. So, all right, here we go. Back to the watch. Silicone strap, very comfortable and very, very soft. And you can do this all day long. Water resistance is 300 meters, okay, or 990 feet. Screw down crown, make sure you lock the crown, okay? I say it again and again. So it's this part right here. So you turn it counterclockwise. I'm going to demonstrate that. Okay, it pops. You pull it out, adjust, okay? Make sure you push and turn until it gets tight, so water will not get inside from the crown. 120 teeth, I mentioned that earlier. Movement is SII NH35 with the date display between 3 to 4 o'clock position, which is another unique feature. Micro imprint on the minute line. Love this. The brown and the white lume dial. Well, at the end of the videos, we're gonna do probably like a 5 to 10 seconds lume shot review. Okay, I'm demonstrating one by one. This is the most classic, okay, stainless steel case with the sunrays silver texture dial. Okay, green lume glows green for the bezel, our indexes, and the hands. Now, this is it. This is the finest of the platinum mother pearl. You can see, okay, lots of colors, lots of gradients on the mother pearl. Exhibition case back. And you also, since I'm at this, I'm pointing this out, I just want everybody to see this. Now, let me peel this off. This is also very, very, very unique. You know how this whole case, watch case right here, the polishing is done vertical brushed, and you can see the case back is flush, okay, flush with the side of the case. So the whole thing is dived into the watch case. I'm talking about the case back. When you get this watch, after you order this watch, you're gonna appreciate what we've done. It's like a sculpture. It's like a sculpture design. Even, not only the shape of the case, even the case back is so nicely done. All right, so we're gonna go to the lume shot, and then we're gonna end this video. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this. These are the final colors for the Aragon Concept S. And I hope you enjoy this watch. And I'll see you next time.